Hey my dazzlers, welcome back. So today I'm very excited to show you some stuffs that I got from Shy Away. You know how much I love lingeries and I don't think there's anything called too much lingerie. I selected some products from their website and they happily sent me those. So today I'm going to review those products and tell you how I feel about them. I also love Shy Away because they have so many offers going on every time. They also have so many bra styles and the sizes they're available in is amazing. So they have sizes available from 30B to 44D and from extra small to extra large. The bra styles they have is amazing. They have push-up bras, they have t-shirt bras, balconettes, bridal bras, sports bras, plunge bras, strapless bras, and so much more. So the insane offer that they're giving right now is that buy 2 bras and get 3 free plus 2 panties free, which is amazing. You can use my code YT100 to get 100 rupees off on any order of 1000 rupees or above, and this code is applicable any number of times you want to use it. I'm going to show you what all I got. You guys know how much I love sports bras and working out in sports bras. In the last video with Shy Away, I also showed you a couple of sports bras. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it above. You can go view that. This time also I ordered a couple of sports bras and I love them. Wait till I show you the colors. Oh my god. The first one is this one. Okay guys, just check this out. The color, this is fuchsia, and what is this color? I think this color is gray mixed with fuchsia. I don't know exactly what color this is, but whatever color this is absolutely amazing. This one is a padded one and it's got beautiful detailing in the middle of the 2 pads. And the inside of it is fuchsia pink. You can actually take out the pad and you can wash it if you're scared that the pad's gonna get damaged. This one comes in free size. The stitching is really strong. And I also love the design. There's intricate surf design on the sides of the bras, which I just love. And if you can see the bottom part, it's got elastic and it's got a very strong hold. And if you can see the detailing done at the sides, the bra is very sturdy. You can actually exercise, like do hardcore exercises wearing these bras. I actually love working out and taking care of my body. I think everybody should do that, and I personally feel that when you work out with your workout clothes on, then it gives me a different kind of motivation. I actually love seeing myself and my body when I'm working out. So my favorite thing to wear during a workout is a sports bra and a shorts. The next sports bra is this very sexy neon green and gray. The neon green and the gray combination looks amazing. I personally love neon colors on my workout clothes. Again, the stitch is very sturdy, and if you can see the back is super sexy. Again, the bottom part has got very strong elastic. If you want to take out the pads, then you can. I will put in all the links of the products in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. Next thing I got is this shorts. I saw Janhvi Kapoor and Sara Ali Khan wear these kind of shorts while they work out, and I was like, wow, these shorts really look nice. So they've got this stretchy tights inside, and on top they've got this loose shorts. So the sides are like this. I got it in the size small and these look really cool. Also, the material of the shorts and the sports bras, they're very comfortable. The next kind of bra that I'm going to show you, this kind of bra is very underrated, but it's a necessity. So I got this one. This is in nude and it's got thick back straps. So these kind of thick back straps, they give you good support, and the straps are like normal straps. This one is very lightly padded and it is extremely comfortable. Backside looks like this. It's a seamless one and it is super comfortable. I have been wearing this a lot of late and I feel that this one is the most comfortable one that I've got in my collection. Not only is it super comfortable, but it looks super sexy as well because of the balconette kind of shape. It fits amazingly. It sits really nicely on my boobs and it's amazing. Next one I got is this body shaper. This one is also padded and this one is pretty long. Like it ends just above my hips. If I actually pull it, it will cover my hips as well. Oh my god, I just had a deja vu. and the back is very sexy. So this one is a body shaper. It actually just sucks everything in. If you have a tummy, it just makes your tummy flat, and it's also super comfortable. So the material is super soft, and I got myself in white because there's no reason, I just love white. So that is it. That is everything I got from Shy Away, and I love all of them. And I knew that once I showed you the pictures, you guys would want me to do the makeup looks. So I put in the makeup video as well, so you can check it out. So before I start off with the makeup, I just cleansed my skin with this Dermavive Hydra Cleanser. Currently, I've been using this and I've been loving this, absolutely loving it. This is for sensitive skin conditions, and I have sensitive skin, and my skin has been loving it. And now I'm going to use this Neutriderm Vitamin E Moisturizing Lotion. I love this one as well. Next, I'm going to be using this Nykaa Prep Me Up Primer. Guys, I just realized that if I keep on talking, then the video is going to be really long, so I'm going to fast forward everything. So guys, this is the makeup look that I was wearing during the photo shoot, and all the products will be listed in the description box below. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and your loved ones. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.